and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no ye, Fisu call him no he. He walk as a mo. Jesuku, Maza Maza, Yisuku Kaba Kaba. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Can anyone explain this statistical concept of probability to me?
Same here. In everyday English, probability is easily understood. But in statistics, it takes on a totally different meaning.
Frankly, me, I can't see head or tail of this course. These concepts were propounded by bored old men with no social life.
Statistics will let you think analytically. Do know.
Chai, fellows, if we don't sit up and think, this course will disgrace us. It goes shy.
You have a plan?
Of course I have a plan. I may not be that good with numbers, but when it comes to strategic and creative thinking, I have no equal.
Tiger, stop running your mouth and spill it.
Okay, think about it. What's our objective? To pass stats, right?
Yeah. Right.
How we pass is of no consequence once we pass.
Wrong assumption. The evil that men do lives after them.
What about the end justifies the means? By any means necessary. Have you heard of those?
Tiger, don't go dog this guy. Tell me the plan.
Child, listen. If we run some apple.
What kind of plan is that? I never knew you were such a loser.
Look at him. You might call me a loser now. We'll see who'll be laughing at the end. Chai, let's go. I have the J.
The light lights the park and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly.
You guys, I have a serious problem with this extrapolation concept.
You mean you don't understand it?
No. I mean the reasoning is not solid.
And what is your reason?
The fact that you set your parameters and taking a sample doesn't mean that the views of the sample population can be stretched to represent the views of the whole population.
And why can't that be done?
Because humans are dynamic. You can't put them in a box. Look, the fact that we are all young ladies in our early 20s and living in an urban area doesn't mean that we'll have exactly the same views on every issue.
True, but the probability will be high. Extrapolation does not mean that everyone in the total population within the set boundaries will give the same answer, but the probability that majority would is high. If you want to be more specific, you can talk about levels of significance and the rest.
Hey, the girl knows her stuff.
What this is? I've never seen this number. Hello?
Hello, Khadija. How are you?
Yes, fine, thank you. Who's this?
Oh, it's Tiger here.
Oh, Tiger.
I have a business proposal for you.
You have a business proposal for me that I can't refuse. Are you alright?
Where can we meet to iron out the details?
Well, fine, okay. I'll meet you at the lawn in 20 minutes. Bye. That was Tiger. Says he has a business proposal for me that I can't refuse.
I'll say go. You never know.
What offer can Tiger make that Khadija can't refuse?
Oh, I'll see you guys.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Jai, she come.
I make you guys laugh,
So, what was it that you wanted to discuss with me?
It is worth 2 million to you.
Well, what do I have to do?
Get me some point stats.
How am I supposed to do that?
Come on, I know you've got links with Kote.
Come again?
You use your contacts, we bring the money. Fair deal.
You must be joking. Look, excuse me.
Mr. Boache, it's not that I want to question your reputation or credibility. The fact is that the typists and the printers in your department have let us down so many times. Too many exam leakages have been attributed to the exams office. And since time immemorial, my paper, Statistics 305, has been controversial. I know the university rule on this. Yes. I have told the prof already, Professor Panasco, yes. I am taking personal charge of my papers. Yes. I intend to type the paper myself and supervise the printing. But thank you very much for your cooperation. Thanks so much. Okay. Okay.
So you have the nerve to ask me to get you a apple and then name a prize?
It's a business proposal. Don't get so emotional.
Look, you're be stupid. What do you take me for? Do you think I go around raising my hemline for favors? You're depraved.
It's cool if you're not interested. No sweat.
Look, see, you're missing the point, dummy. I use my brains and not my body to get my grades. You loser. Never approach me with such nonsense again.
If you don't want, fine. Someone would. You never know.
Sorry, how did it go?
She's not interested.
She's not in... Okay, plan B.
I just have to find someone else. I just have to find someone who will fit the price.
Good idea. We could hit the exams office.
Interesting thought. You explore that.
Losers.
What an insult.
Can you imagine? He had the nerve to ask me for a apple. What have I done to deserve such a thing?
Hey, there's no smoke without fire.
What do you mean?
Maybe you set a certain precedence.
Have you changed that grade D in economics?
Oh, you don't have to worry. So far as I'm in charge, it's a B+.
Thank you.
How do you fare in economics 106?
I got an E.
Upon giving you all the questions?
I was sick, so I entered only 2 questions. You have to change that one to...
Don't worry, I'll manage a B for you, if only you would. Sure, same time, same venue.
Why not? Thank you. And the statistics.
Clara?
What did you say he would give you? Should you accept the offer?
2 million CDs.
2 million CDs. Has a lot of users. Okay, I'll accept the challenge.
What? Are you crazy? Where will you get the questions from?
What are you up to?
Come on, I have a plan. Khadija, what's Tiger's number?
Look, you will do no such thing.
It's now. You guys be careful. University is not far from your life.
Yes, sir, madam.
It's not funny.
Come on, you guys. Don't you want some fun? Listen, I have a plan.
Oh, it's Khadija. Maybe she's changed her mind.
Right.
Hello.
Hello, Khadija.
This is Esinam. Am I speaking with Tiger?
How are you? Esinam?
Esinam.
Fine. Listen, is the offer you made to Khadija still open?
Yes, of course it is. Why, are you interested?
Yes. So when can we meet to agree on the terms?
How about this evening? At the library. Is that okay?
Okay, I'll see you there.
Alright, okay. Right. Thanks. This is why I call Saul that. The girl be hard.
She's even better than Khadija. What's her price?
We'll meet her tonight to discuss it.
Hey, Ata the thief.
Charlie, get off my case. You're beginning to get on my nerves. Nobody has asked you to be here.
You won't give him any good advice either.
Charlie.
Sun City, shine your light.
I still have a very funny feeling about this thing.
I say don't worry, you trust me. Let's go. Come on.
Yes, come in. Hi, ladies. How are you? Yes.
Thank you.
Can I be of any assistance to you?
Sir, please, we were wondering if you could help us a little bit.
Oh, you got me at the wrong time. Perhaps tomorrow.
Oh, it's nothing big. We just want you to narrow things down a bit for us, like push us in the right direction.
I don't get your meaning, please.
Simple, sir. You see, statistics has a lot of topics, and we're wondering if you could at least give us a few topics that we could concentrate on.
That's easy. Do you have your notes and your textbooks?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you read from page 1 to the last page of both your textbooks and your notes. Everything has an equal chance of appearing on your paper.
Yeah, but that's no help at all.
Have you ladies tasted half-baked bread?
No, sir, but I imagine it would taste awful.
You see, at Sun City University, we do not believe in half-baked students. We want you to be worth your certificates. So you see, your request has just been rejected. You ladies must learn to walk straight and tall. That is what we expect of you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank
you very much.
You see the disgrace you brought to us? Look, I have nothing more to do with this scheme.
Dadaba, I'll see through with this.
I don't believe that you actually went to Mr. Kote for such a request.
Well, you never know till you try, will you?
Yes, but must be careful what you try.
So what are you going to do?
I accepted this challenge and I intend to see if you...
Sheer foolishness.
Okay, ladies. Anyone with a pen and a paper, please. Listen, what questions do you reckon are the most likely the lecturer will concentrate on?
What are you up to?
They want Apo, right? I will give them Apo Kong.
But if you set your questions and they don't drop, what will you do?
Who said Apo always drops? 1,001 things can happen between the time we get Apo from the source and the exam day.
Esnam, be careful, oh. You are taking this thing too far. Don't do anything you regret later. You.
Look, I might be doing them a favor. They'll become wiser.
Well, I sure would like to see their stupid faces in the exam room.
You intend to give them your own questions and collect 2 million?
Holy.
You definitely meet trouble.
And who says there'll be trouble? This is illegal. They dare not bring it to light by misbehaving.
So, when do you deliver the questions?
Tomorrow afternoon, my dear. In fact, let me go and get it typed. I'll see you girls later.
We have 24 hours to raise 2 million C's. How are we going to do that?
I still think you should have brought the price down. It's too much.
But you the shock. How makes you think we are going to pay the whole amount?
What do you mean?
We'll pay the first 1 million up front, get the questions, and tell them we'll pay the other half after the exam. That is if the questions drop.
Good idea. And if the Apple does not drop, do we get the 1 million cedis already paid back?
Of course, or I'll rearrange the physical features. You know me.
And if it drops?
We thank her for her services and vanish. After all, what's she going to do? Report us to the VC or Dean?
Good idea. For quick thinking. Charlie, someone got like that.
Charlie, I've been on the Wagadre there. Me a day. Charlie. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies. After the exams, the party is on me.
So he swallowed the bake?
Piece of cake.
Hey. So do you really have 2 million CDs in there?
Sorry, love. The bastard wised up. He gave me only half. The other half will come if the questions drop.
Just like a chess game, eh?
But right now, I am on top.
Aliyah, I am sure this boy has something up his sleeve. He won't throw away 1 million CDs for nothing.
Well, he has, hasn't he?
Well, so what happens to the money?
Nothing for now. We keep it and wait for them to do their worst. If we come out triumphant, voila, we party within it. Easy come, easy go.
I won't say anything, no, you people.
Well, you better not. Nobody asks for your opinion.
The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
Charlie, Tiger. Lecture is wiki though. 6 questions, answer 4. And none is easy.
We don't have much time. Let's get to work. Bring the textbooks. Bring the textbook.
The statistics.
The textbook says still wrong.
Charlie. But let's assume the apple drops. Do you really think these girls will let us off the hook if we double cross them?
True. The wrath of a wounded woman is more than hellfire.
Moreover, you see, if it proves genuine, we might need them again in the future.
Okay, this is what I suggested. We sell the questions to some other people to raise the other 1 million and maybe extra. Hey.
But the more people get to know, the riskier it becomes. Someone may even report it back to the lecturer.
You're the one making the whole thing complicated. Let's double cross them. That's all. After all, people do that all the time.
And if we need them again in the future?
We use other people. Simple.
Thank you.
Fake Apo complete.
I'll kill them with my bands.
You should.
The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
Tiger, can you move? Not even waiting.
Charlie, you guys trouble. It looks like they're waiting for us.
Oh my God, what do?
We do nothing. We walk right past them and call their bluff. Okay, ladies, just up. Let's go. Follow me.
Excuse me, yes enough. The deal is off and I want a refund. Did not deliver your end of the bargain.
Funny you should say that. I was coming to ask you for the remainder of the money.
Nonsense! What remainder? After giving us useless questions.
Excuse me, my source said it was genuine, and I believe him.
You believe him? So how come not even a single one of your questions dropped?
Maybe the lecturer changed his mind. Maybe you opened your mouth too wide and word got back to the lecturer. Listen, we're also disappointed. Don't forget that.
Oh yeah? Then how come you at least never lifted your head once in the exam hall and you even asked for more papers?
We decided to write the lecturer love letters. Who knows? Maybe we could get lucky.
Tiger, just collect the money and let's leave.
Oh, I intend to.
What money? Have you given us any money? Where is the receipt we gave to you as proof that we collected any money from you?
Look here, if you guys don't back off, we'll report you to the lecturer.
Go ahead, be my guest. You're not leaving here without refunding my money.
Uh-huh. Say.
This matter is not ended.
Sir, we just wanted to say thank you for your patience and understanding.
That's very nice of you, ladies.
We just hope you'll be more lenient when you're marking.
I knew there was a catch somewhere. Anyway, just tell your friends that they don't have to worry, okay? All I'm looking for is your understanding of the concept, spirit.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
All right, then.
Bye-bye.
Bye.